Orang tu tengah tengok. Dia tengah gelak. Dia nampak kan? My mom is having the cake right now. Hey guys, it's Syaf. Welcome to my channel, Best Kuala Lumpur, where I upload videos on what to eat, do and see in Kuala Lumpur. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate every single subscribe count, especially now when I need 1,000 subscribers to enter the YouTube Partner Program. So with all that out of the way, I am here at Ikea Cafe. It's newly opened. This is different than the IKEA restaurant up there. This is located in between IKEA as well as IPC shopping mall, and I don't know if you know, but IPC shopping mall went through a renovation. It looks really nice now, and IKEA Cafe is just right here. So what's different about this IKEA Cafe versus the IKEA restaurant up there? Well, here they mostly serve coffee and cakes, and I don't think you can get your curry puff here. Yeah, not a curry puff here. Okay, I'm having the chocolate brulee cake. I'm having this apple juice because I'm not in the mood to drink coffee, so I've decided to have the apple juice. Bon appetit! Guys, I'm almost done here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and I shall see you in the next vlog. Hey guys, it's Syaf with... ada orang tu nak tengok. Payahlah shoot ni.
Sikai nanti apa? Jom, sikai. Mana?